this. You see that you have to, because okay, you very gently and then allow her to. Okay, I'm going.
Bye.
Not yet. Just going behind. Okay, leave the spoon in her mouth. Allow her to hold your little finger. Yeah.
Mama. Mama. Yeah.
Now you can put it in your mouth.
And put.
Put it in.
Sure.
Put the whole spoon in her mouth.
Yeah. Get wait.
Good. Just leave the whole thing in the mouth. Leave the spoon in the mouth. Let her chew on the spoon.
Chew on the spoon. Yummy.
Good girl. You shake leg now.
Good girl. Nice. Nice.
So happy. Good girl.
Yummy, isn't it? Yummy. Bởi又係咁，佢邊度識吞啊？而家未識。